How to create a custom footer in Squarespace. Nurses that, let's head over first to our footer, and then as you can see, here it is. So from there, click on this edit site footer, and then it will show you up right here. So for this one, you can click on this add a block option, and then you can choose which block you want added. So for example, you can add a code, a calendar, chart, or anything that you want. For example, since this is a footer, let's add in here a code. Now, as you can see, here's a code something right here. So you can just resize it to your desired option or your desired length. So let's resize it like that. And then you can edit it out the way you like. You can also add more blocks. Just click on this right here. And if, for example, you want to add a button, just click on that. And it shall be added right here. I'll just move it on the bottom and then click on this edit option and you can edit the content as well as the design that it needs for this one right here. So just edit out your liking and you should be good to go. So that's how you create a custom footer in Squarespace. Hope we helped.